How to reverse a number in Python. We will use a very simple but interesting algorithm for reversing a number. Let's start with the algorithm that will be used in our Python code. Step 1. Start solving the problem. Step 2. Enter a positive number, num. Step 3. Initialize variable rev_num with 0. Step 4. If num less than or equal to 0, then go to step 9, else go to the next step. Step 5. Divide num by 10 and assign the remainder to a variable r. Step 6. Divide num by 10 and assign the integer part of the quotient to the variable num again. Step 7. Add r to the multiple of rev_num and 10 and assign it to rev_num again. Step 8. Go to step 4 and check whether rev_num is less than or equal to 0. If no, perform the steps 5 to 7 again, else go to step 9. Step 9. Print rev_num. Step 10. Stop, our problem is solved. So this is our complete algorithm. Remember, it will work if the number given is positive. Now let's visualize our algorithm using a flowchart. Start here. Input the number here. Zero is assigned to rev_num. Is num greater than 0? Yes or no? If yes, perform these operations. Now check the condition, is num greater than 0? If yes, repeat the operations again. When the condition fails, exit from the loop and print rev_num. Our job is done. Let's stop now. Our algorithm and flowchart are complete. Now we know how to solve the problem. Before we proceed to coding in Python, let's test our algorithm with an input number 987. Now let's start coding in Python. As we have already discussed the algorithm in detail, we will not discuss the same things again. Just follow me along while I code. Our coding is complete. Let's test it in a terminal. And yes, it's working. So, we have successfully translated our algorithm into a valid Python code which is working fine. Let's modify the code and define a function to do the same task. Here our function reverse_number takes one argument, a number, and returns the reverse number. Let's test the function. Yes, our function, too, is working fine. Until now our code has performed well. It seems that our code is foolproof. Now let's check what happens when we supply a string instead of a number. Oh no, our code has failed. We need to do something. It shows that our code is able to handle only numbers, not any other data types. So, we need to ensure that only numbers are supplied to the function. If it is not a number, then we will ignore it. Here the function isInstance, checks whether the variable num is an instance of integer class. If yes, only then the codes inside the if block will be executed. Now our code is almost okay. Let's add docstring at the start of the function. This will be helpful for others in using the function. Here, inside the docstring we will provide the syntax of its usage. Let's display the docstring. We may also use the help function for displaying the contents of the docstring as shown here. Now our code is complete. We have modified the code to make it bug-free, usable and distributable. If you find any bug, please share it in the comment section. This is all for today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more such useful lessons. Happy coding!